Oh.
Many times before. You spin the spinner, and whatever you get, you can get 2, 3, 4, 5, and whatever you get, you have to click on this, and there's going to be whipped cream here, and then if you click it on the wrong one, you got whipped cream in your face. Alright, ready, Oak?
I don't know what tries a whipped cream for it. You want some?
No, nothing.
Want some?
No, thank you.
You sure?
Yes. Alright, now let's put some in there. Don't put
How do you play this game?
I already explained the rules. You spin the spinner, whatever you get, you click it over here, you have to put your face here, and if you click it on the wrong one, the whipped cream goes in your face.
And the winner gets a Hulk surprise egg.
Or a Captain America, or Frozen.
Or a Hulk surprise egg.
Or a Hulk surprise egg.
Yeah.
Alright, let's start with youngest to oldest. Yep. Alright, you go first. That's line, that's 4. That's line. Okay, fine. 3.
Yeah, 3.
3. Oh, you're scared, guys. 2. 3. Oh, safe. My turn. Oh, I got a 2. Oh, don't you cheat. And it's off. 1.
Whoa! Yeah!
I got pie-faced.
It's okay because you get a Hulk surprise egg. There you go.
Nah, I'll take a Captain America. I'm joking. Pass the whipped cream, please. Goes the whipped cream.
Pretty good.
Your turn.
Good job.
No, stop.
Just in case.
I don't think it's gonna even lift up. I mean, it's too much.
It's my turn. My turn.
It's too heavy. There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna spin. Ready?
5.
5.
Oh.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What? No. Nope. Yeah, your turn. Sorry.
2. 2.
I have a feeling I'm gonna get pie-faced.
Good job.
This isn't gonna be good. Alright guys, I got a 3.
Oh, yeah.
Why am I the unlucky one? Back the whipped cream, please!
Yeah, I get
I'm
you
gonna get on this time.
Captain America surprise egg.
No, pass the whipped cream, pass the whipped cream. There's not enough. Okay, hop spin.
My turn? Did I say you get a Captain America surprise egg? There you go.
Me? Yeah.
You got 2 surprise eggs.
That's as many as point you want. Well, you gotta spin.
Oh yeah, I gotta spin, I forgot.
Can I take Frozen? 4. 4. You got 4.
I got 5. There we go. 1.
2.
Whoa!
I won! I got liquid on your face! Here, pass me the whipped cream. Pass me the whipped cream.
Oh!
That's what you deserve.
Oh! Where's my surprise egg?
Which one do you want?
Well, you got the Hulk, you got the Captain America, so I got
Frozen!
Ah!
Okay, that's a cool way of opening it. Now, put your face this way. Alright, so now I'm going to open up since you won.
You want to do it one more time?
No, fine. I have a bad feeling about this next one, guys. That is not enough.
Okay.
Give me that whipped cream. No. Okay, wait. That's enough. Okay, there. I have a bad feeling about this one, guys.
Come on, here we go. Ah!
I get it. Yeah! She got her face!
Yeah.
Alright, now you get a Captain America egg. Thank you. Actually, no. I'm joking. You win. Leo lost. So, since she won, she has to go.
Okay, I'm gonna open up my frozen egg.
Alright, now I'm going to open up my Hulk egg. Go Captain America. I'm going to open up Hulk's face. Ready, Hulk?
Yeah. All right. Are you gonna open up mine right there?
That was
harder than that.
Ow!
Yeah, I'll show you how to do it.
Ow!
Look, I'll show you how to do it. Watch. Oh!
Oh my gosh, I got Captain America when I got a Hulk egg. Sorry, Hulk, you're not gonna me. Sorry, I couldn't show you guys. I got Iron Man.
And I got a ring. That's for you. Iron Man, let me see Iron Man.
Hulk got this Elsa ring.
Iron Man.
Alright, time to do your makeup. Now let's put some nice eyebrows. And some nice lipstick. And then we want to stick that there. Some blush. Some more blush. And you always want to have a nice hair. Always want to have nice hair. And put a cherry top. You ready? That's how you do perfect makeup. Some nice lipstick, some nice eyebrows. You know, you want to really put it into the style. It's a blush just to blend everything in. And then the hair. Oops. Some nice blush. No, now we're going to do a real cake. One, put some more. Can't take it off, Hulk. There we go. Alright, Hulk, now that you're more pale. Oh yeah, good idea. Put some more muscle. Nice muscle. Let's put some more muscle over here. There we go.
Oh, that looks pretty small. Bigger muscle.
bag. Yep. And now
Wow.
you put some muscle over here. And a pack. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. And be careful when he does that. By the way, you got some chocolate on your forehead. You do. No, you don't. You got chocolate on your forehead.
Come give me a hug.
No. No, no!
Come give me a hug.
No! Goodbye, everybody.